everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting these beautiful diyas for Diwali. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And now let's get started. I am starting here with the first layer of the color. After the first layer completely dried, I am starting here with the second layer. After the color is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. You can decide the number of layers depending on the type of your diya. I am starting here with the white color as a base layer. As my yellow color is translucent, I am using the white base layer to brighten up the yellow color. After the yellow color is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. I have already painted my diya with the white color as a base layer, and I am starting here with the color now. After the red color is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. have already given base layer of white and now I am starting with the orange color. After the orange color is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. I have given a base layer of white over here and now I am starting with the blue color. I'll be giving 2 layers of blue here. Once the base layer is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. I have started here with the base layer of white and now I am painting with yellow. once the base layer is completely dried, I am starting here with the design. I think we are almost done here with all the designs. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Happy Diwali.